Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
In a forest deep where shadows play, live two gentle bears in their cozy bay. With fur like dusk and hearts so warm, they welcomed Masha, who'd soon transform. A sprightly girl with laughter bright, her spirit danced in morning light. With mischief twinkling in her eye, she stirred their world like winds that sigh. "Oh dear bear," she called with glee, "let's venture forth by the grand old tree." Their paws would shuffle on soft green moss, through wildflower fields where the rivers gloss. But Masha's heart held storms of dreams, to chase the stars and hear their beams. Yet each escapade brought laughter's tune, and echoes sweet beneath the moon. One day she wandered too far from home, the woods grew dark as if to moan. Worry wrapped around bear hearts tight, for love ignites when fear takes flight. Together they searched through tangled night, guided by hope's enduring light. With every rustle and whispering breeze, they called her name beneath ancient trees. At last they found her, small yet bold, wrapped in shadows but fiercely gold. In a hug of warmth neath starlit skies, joy bloomed bright as dawn's first rise. So hand in paw they danced away, through tales of love that forever stay. For bonds like theirs can't help but soar, two gentle bears and a girl they adore.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.